Hello everyone, welcome to Arts and Crafts with Avery Jane. We're going to be doing a project with motion and magnets. What is motion? A motion is an action of a person or an animal. Also, another type of motion is gravity. Gravity pulls us from all the way to Earth. If there was no gravity, we would be in the air. That's why when you're on the moon, you can jump a little higher. Now, let's get to the activity, which is the fun part. You're going to be needing some fans, or like some rubber bands. You're going to also need some paper clips and also some toothpicks. Get them. Now imagine if you're in a drawer, you're going to get some toothpicks, but then you spill some magnets and also some bands. Now, there's an easier way to clean it up instead of just picking them out one by one. So, first thing is, you should take your magnet and get the paper clips out. Out of the way. Now, second part, so we're just going to take the water and put this in. So, it's going to dab this, and it's going to fall in. Now, all you gotta do is get the toothpicks out and take it above, which is very messy, and also get the bands out by draining it. It also will be wet, so I don't think you should reuse the toothpicks if you actually were sorting it. And now you got all of them sorted, including the paper clips, the rubber bands, and the toothpicks. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and like.